Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting math problem. We have two walls. The height of this wall is 4 meter and the height of this second wall is 6 meter. And there is a man standing between these two walls such that the head of this man touches the cross point of these two lines. These two lines are formed by the top of this first wall and the ground of this second wall and the bottom of this first wall and the top of this second wall. So the joining these two lines is this point. We have to find the height of this man. Consider this point is A, this point as B, and this point as C, this as D, and the cross point E and the foot of this man as F. Suppose the height of this man EF is H and the distance between these 2 points B and F is X. So this point is X and the distance between this F and D as Y. So this distance is Y. Now look at this triangle EFD. So in triangle EFD and in triangle ABD. So triangle ABD. In these two triangles, the angle D is common angle. So this angle is common of these two triangles. As these two are perpendicular to the ground, so this is 90 degree and this will also 90 degree. So these two angles are equal. So rest of these two angles will be equal. So triangle EFD and triangle ABD, these two triangles are similar triangle. According to law of similar triangle, we can write this H over 4. So H over 4 is equal to this Y over this X plus Y. So Y over X plus Y. So from similarity we can write this equation. Consider this as equation number 1. Now from triangle BEF. So in triangle BEF and in triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. In these two triangles, this angle is common angle. EBF is equal to CBD and these two are perpendicular to the ground. So this is 90 degree and this will also be 90 degree. And rest of these two angles, this will be equal. For this reason, this two triangle is also similar triangle. Again, applying the similarity triangle law, we can write this ace over 6. So ace over 6 is equal to this x over this total length, which is x plus y. So x plus y. Consider this as equation number 2. Now adding this equation 1 and equation 2, we can write from equation 1 ace over 4 plus from equation 2 ace over 6 is equal to equation 1, right side is y over x plus y plus from equation 2 x over x plus y, or now the LCM of 4 and 6 of left side is 12, and 12 divided by 4, this is 3, and 3 times ace is 3 ace, plus 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 2 times ace is twice ace, is equal to, and the LCM of x plus y and x plus y is x plus y, and x plus y divided by x plus y is 1, and 1 times y is y, plus x plus y divided by x plus y is 1, and 1 times x is x, or 3 ace plus 2 ace, this is 5 ace over 12 is equal to, this is x plus y and this is also x plus y, it will cancel and it will be 1. So right side will be 1. So from here we can write multiplying both side by 12, we will get 5 ace is equal to 12, and divided both side by 5, we will get the value of ace, which is 12 over this 5, and multiplying both of this by 2, 12 times 2 divided 5 times 2, this is 12 times 2 is 24, divided by 5 times 2 is 10, which is 24 divided by 10, this is 2.4. So the height of this man is 2.4 meter, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.